Most entrepreneurs live in fear of an unfulfilled legacy. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, double tap, subscribe, you son of a mother. Just kidding. Helen Miller here, youmeandhappiness.com, fulfillment coach, top coach to entrepreneurs. I'm as timid as a sheep. Let's get right to it. In the next 4 minutes, 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you what a biohack is and why this is vitally important to your life, your happiness, how it can increase your productivity, how you can become the most efficient person using these 5 biohacks, of which one is a cutting-edge new biohack. But if you do not have time, if you do not have at least 6 minutes for this, if you'd rather want to go and join Team Llama Balls, if you don't know what Team Llama Balls is, go watch my last video, Team Llama Balls. So if you want to go and join Team Llama Balls, be prepared to live a life looking back with regret one day, not being happy, not like having fun every day while you are building your legacy. You want to outlast your legacy. So let's get right to it. 5 biohacks. Okay, what is a biohack? Let's move the 2 words. It's bio and hack. Okay. So there's a lot of controversy around the word biohack. Some people think it's like, you put stuff in your body. I know there's like some things like that. I don't put anything in my body like that. It's not my biohacks. For me, biohacks is using your body as a tool to live a more efficient life. So hack is the efficiency part. Bio is your body. We are in a three-dimensional reality here, okay? But if you think about like the Matrix, there's clues. There's clues out there. We'll get to the Matrix in a moment. Okay, so what are so you know what a biohack is. So it's something that you use, how you can extract information from your body to live a more efficient life. Okay, so let's get to the 5 reasons why you should use biohacks. Number 1, these are benefits. Number 1, time. Okay, so think about this. Mindset training takes a lot of time. I mean, I sometimes reprogram. I use it. I use it for sure. But it takes a lot of time. I mean, sometimes it could take like at least a year for you to truly rewire your brain with just mindset. And then you can always fall back in it. That's the danger of mindset training. You can always fall back in it. So, okay, so that's the first thing. It's not so time-robbing as mindset training because you use your body and it's like a permanent change that you're making in your body. And you can do it quickly. It's a hack. So the method is quickly. So my own biohack that I have the DNA upgrade, that's like a 15-minute game. That I do in 15 minutes. Okay, I do longer as well, but you can do it in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's time. You save on time, and time is the most precious commodity. Time is an asset, man. I think money's an asset. Time's your asset. So you can't figure out this thing if you don't put like 1 and 1 together here. Like watch the signals. It's like the runway man.
Flight 527, runway 8 kilo. You're cleared for takeoff.
You want to go somewhere? You gotta got it together with the signals. So number 1 is time. Highly time efficient to use biohacks because you go to the root cause, you fix it there without having to sit to talk about the problems, using the mind. The mind's got a life of its own. It's like you're fighting like a battle with yourself using the mind. Okay, let's not ditch the mind. Let's love the mind. And mindset training's got a place. Yes, because there's thoughts. Yet we wanna live efficient lives. I want to live an efficient life. So that's the one benefit, time. Second benefit, Your body is information. Okay, body is information. Now, if you understand your life from the perspective of living in a virtual reality, okay, I've seen this virtual reality. Okay, so if you see your life from that perspective, then your body is you start seeing your body as information. So like data, like as if it's a computer. We're a simulation. You're an avatar, if you like it or not. You're an avatar. You like the movie The Avatar. Don't think the movie The Avatar was just like, oh my gosh, somebody just thought of it. No. There's people who know things. And, there's people who know things and they want to tell other people about things. Basically, your body is information. So think about yourself as an avatar. You're an avatar. But your body you can use to live a more joyful life, a more efficient life. And evolve, and go up in the levels of consciousness. So that is like the second thing with the biohacking is, so what we do with biohacks is we utilize this, we use this to learn about life. So it's a hack because you use this to push you forward faster. That's why it's a hack. So that's the second thing, is because you get that information. Number 3, it's the technology of the future. And here I'm going to pull out the Matrix. Again, this Matrix movie didn't just come up by itself. It's right there. It's clues. Okay, so it's the technology of the future. So when you understand your body as a virtual system, almost like a computer screen, almost like pulling up of a type of a computer interface, and that's what the world's moving to. You will see. I actually hope we can live to that day. Now we've got the phone. We're like on our phone doing our things. In time to come, we're gonna have like an actual image. Like a virtual thing. You want to be moving forward. Be stuck in these other, these old ways, and it's like live with like, things shells over your eyes like this. No, we want to be with the times. Okay, that's the third thing, technology of the future. Fourth thing, efficiency. It's the best thing. It's the best efficiency tool. Okay, so I'm giving a little background here again. There were 2 big goals, 2 big problems. I'm an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs solve problems. We look for problems to solve. When I was a kid, 2 big problems, okay, in my life. Firstly, how can I be happy in every single now? I already talked about this in the last video. Okay, I solved that problem. It took me 10 years. I solved it, living happily ever after. Okay, so problem number 2 I had busy solving is, how am I going to live the most efficient life possible? In other words, how am I going to look back one day with no regret? Yes, I've already accomplished my most important goal, being happy. I've done that. So if I die now, touch wood, but I'm okay. I did the one thing that was most important to me, and I did it already a long time ago. So then the second thing, I was like, how am I going to live the most efficient life? So that's what I'm busy doing. It's a never-ending story. I'm not going to reach that goal. It's not like a goal that you should reach, but it is a aspiration. It's a driving force. So that's how living efficiently. That's why I use biohacks. And I also searched for a long time, in the same time I did everything, building you, me, and happiness and all this, is I gathered these biohacks, tested them, and what works and what doesn't. So I work with 5 biohacks from multi-generations. One's an ancient technique, one working with the brain, we've got emotional stuff. I got 5 biohacks. Go to my website, click the link. Now you can get this 1 biohack for free if you join. Awesome membership. Number 5 is DNA Upgrade is a communication tool. And I've already talked about this. You guys seen my testimonials here on Instagram as well. It's instant result. And what happens is, when I get remote access to your DNA, I get that information. I can send information from your higher self. Think about the player of the game. You're the avatar. But on the other side of that is you, the player. Most people don't understand this concept. Most people can't even communicate with the player. They're too stuck in their avatar. So what I do when I do your DNA upgrade is I put you in touch with your player, and I can also communicate from myself to do a targeted 5 benefits of using biohacks. Number 1, time. 2, body is information. 3, technology of the future, the matrix. 4, efficiency is the best. 5, the DNA upgrade is most cutting edge biohack out there right now. Results are instant. It's like you're taking off like a rocket ship and you're going to the next level. Until next time, be happy, be free. Remember, I love you and I believe in you. Hit like, ring the bell, because I'm doing lives on weekends, random lives. So if you're not going to subscribe and you're not going to hit the notification bell, you're not going to know when I'm going to do the lives, and I'm not keeping these lives, and I'm sharing some amazing things there, and there will be some giveaways. So please join me on my lives on YouTube. Okay, see you next time.